Hello all. In the today's session we are going to discuss about the module 4, that is process, threads, tasks and IPC, inter-process communication and their synchronization. Okay, a process. We all know that process is a small part of a program which is under execution. A process consists of executable programs, that is nothing but the codes, states of which is controlled by the operating system. The state during the running of a process represented by the process status. Okay, there is a process is there, and process when is running, there should be some of the states are there. One is a running state, one is block state or a finished state, either waiting state, etc. States are available. Process structure, it's a data, project and a resource, and the process controlled by the process control block. So in short, process is the smallest unit of program which is under execution. When it runs, it is scheduled by the operating system. Operating system gives the control of the CPU and the resources and all the system calls on the process request. Runs by the executing the instruction and the continuous changes in the process control block. So just imagine there are 4 processes are executing. When the process P1 starts at the 0 unit and it is going to execute for up to 2 unit of time, and next process 2 comes in between. So that time the process counter is going to change. So in short, what is nothing but the when you people are reading the newspaper and suddenly you people are going to stop at a one particular para, and next you do the another work, and once you finish that another work and you are coming back to the reading the newspaper. Okay, the process is that executing unit of the computation which is controlled by a process of the years scheduling mechanism. Let's execute on the CPU. A process resource management mechanism that lets it use the system memory and other system resources such as a network, files, display or a printer. So it is going to use the any of the thing. Next comes the process control block, one of the important bit. It consists of the information about the process state, under which state the process is executed. A data structure having the information of the process not accessible to other process other than the kernel. OS controls the state of the process using that information. The information stores in the protected memory. Information about the process state at the process control block: a process ID, process priority, parent process if any, a child process if any, address to the next process PCB which will be under execution. Next, allocated programs memory address blocks in the physical memory and in the secondary memory of the process codes. Allocated process specific data address blocks, allocated process heap, that is nothing but the data generated during the program which is under execution. Allocated process stack address of the for the function called during the running of the process. Next, a process states signal mask. When mask is set to 0, the process is inhibited from the running. When it is reset to 1, the process is allowed to run. So in short, when it process state is 0, that is nothing but the mask is set to 0, then assume that the process is going to running. When it is going to 1, it is going to be reset. Signals, nothing but the messages. Dispatch the table, that is nothing but the process IPC function, inter-process communication. So this is all about the process. In the next video we are going to for the execution of threads.